Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So, we are going to start with grade 6 maths. So, you can find these lessons on aplusstudents.com. So, use your email address and password to log in. That is provided by the administration, and then you have to select math as a subject. Then you have to scroll down to grade 6 maths, and we are on the first chapter, that is whole numbers. So today we're going to start with the lesson, that is add and subtract whole numbers word problems. So we are going to start with add and subtract whole numbers word problems. Okay, let's start with the lesson. Okay, let me share my. Okay, so I'm going to read the questions from A plus. So maybe we have different questions on the tutorial, but we have the same questions on the test. So let's start with the first one. So the question is, when Lena went to bed, there will be 400 gulls on the lake. That night, a flock of 29 geese joined them. How many birds were on the lake when Lena woke up? So basically, you have two of the numbers, you have to add them. They are 240 and 29. Got it? So let's add them. 249, 240, and 29. You have to add them. So we always start from the rightmost, adding and subtracting from the rightmost digit. The rightmost digit is the digit that is at the ones position. So 0 plus 9 is 9. Then 4 plus 2 is 6. And then you don't have any digit right there, or you can say it's a 0. So 0 plus 2 is 0. Got it? Okay, let's do the next one. Okay, the next one is, a petri dish originally contained 140 bacteria. A scientist let the bacteria grow, and now there are 870 of them. How many more bacteria are there now? So basically, you have 140, and the more the bacteria that grows, the more are 870. So we have to see how many more bacterias are there now. So basically, you have to subtract 870 minus 140, because originally they are 140, so you have to do 870 subtract 140. So 870 subtract 140. So start subtracting from the ones digit. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Then you have to subtract the tens digit. So 7 minus 4 is 3. And then you have to subtract the hundreds digit. So 8 subtract 1 is 7. Got it? Please make sure you have a pencil and a notebook. You can note down these important points on your notebook. Okay, so on the top right corner, we have a test button. So let's start with the test. Okay, so let me read the question. Just listen to me carefully. So the question is, we have same questions on the test. So you can start test at your side. Stacy just transferred $99 out of her bank account. As a result, the account now has 670 left in. How much money was in the account before the transfer? Okay, so after transferring $99, the account now has 670. So we need to see how much money was in account before the transfer. Got it? So that means you have to add 670 and 99 because you need to see the or amount that were originally in the account before transferring $99. So you just need to add 670 plus 99. So 670 plus 99. So 9 plus 0 is, add the digits that are at the ones position. 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. You have to write the ones digit over here and you have to carry the tens digit. So 6 plus 1 makes 7. So it is 769. So you are given three of the options. The correct option is 769, the last one. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, Lindsay recorded 333 hit songs that made it on the bestseller charts. Something many people don't know, however, is that she also wrote 53 songs that were never released. How many songs did Lindsay write in all? So 333 were the bestseller, and 53 were the songs no one knows he had. So you need to find how many total in all. So you have to add them. So just add 333 plus 53. Got it? 333 and plus 53. So 3 plus 3 is, start adding the ones. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Then 5 plus 3 is 8. And you don't have any number right below the 3. That means you have a 0. So 3 plus 0 is 0. Got it? Okay. So the correct option is 386. So select the correct option. The first option is the correct one and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, Ron just started working at a French restaurant. Last week, he polished 142 small glasses and 21 large glasses. How many glasses did he polish? So basically, you have to find how many total glasses he polished. So just add 142 and 21. So 142 plus 21. So add the ones. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Then add the tens. 4 plus 2 is 6. And then the 100, you have 163. Got it? Okay. Select the correct option and move on to the next question. The next one is, recently the value of Nolan's college savings fund decreased by $30. If the fund was worth 567 before, how much is it worth now? So before the decrease, it was 567. You need to find after the decrease what is the value. So just subtract 30 out of 567. Got it? We have to do 567 subtract 30. We have to do 567 subtract 30. So 7 subtract 0 is 7. 6 plus 3 is 9, and then you have a 5, so it is 597. Got it? So you can complete the test after the call or later today. I'm moving on to the next lesson. You can find the next lesson just by clicking on this back button, and we are on the next lesson. The next lesson is choose word names for numbers. Okay, so let's start with the examples. Okay, how do you write the number using digits? And the number is 305. So how do we write it? 305. So the digit that is hundreds place is 3. You don't have the digit that is at the tens, so you can write it 0 at the tens, and the digit that is at the ones is 5. So it is 305. Got it? This way you can write 305 in the digits form. Okay, the next one is how do you write the number using digits? It is 356. So the digit that is at the hundreds place is 3. Then the digit that is at the tens place is 56. That means it is 5. And the digit that is at the ones place is 6. So it is 356. Got it? Okay, the next one is how do you write this number using digits? The number is 805. So the digit that is at the hundreds place is 8. You don't have any digit at the ones at the tens place, so it is 0. And the digit that is at the ones place is 5, so it is 805. Got it? Okay, on the top right corner you have a test button. Let's start with the test. Okay, the first one is how do you write this number using digits? 940. So the options you are given are 440, 940, 942, and 442. So which is the correct option? The second one, 940. So 9 is at the hundreds place, and 44 is at the tens place, and 0 is at the ones place. So it's 940. Select the correct option. Second option is the correct one, and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is how do you write this number using digits? 200. How do we write 200? The options are 201, 210, 205, and 200. So the fourth option is the correct one. You can write just 2 and you don't have any other digit. So just write that 0 over there. So it is 200. Got it? Okay, the next one is how do you write this number using digits? 559. How do you write? Do you know the answer? 559. 5 is at the hundreds position. Then again, 5 is at the tens position, and 9 is at the ones position. So it is 559. Select the correct option. Fourth one is the correct one. And then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is how do you write the number using digits? 805. So 8 is at the hundreds position. You don't have the digit that is at the tens position, so write a 0 over there, and then 5. So it is 805. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. The next one is 413. 413. So 4 is at the hundreds place, and 13 you can write 413. Got it? So I just click on the back button so that we can on the next lesson. You can complete the test by yourself later today or with. If you have any problem with this topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from 5 to 9, Monday to Friday. Okay, let's start test. So it's the final test we have just done with this chapter. So it's a final test. Okay, let's start with the first one. Carrie owns an automobile dealer shop. Last week, she received a shipment of 55 automobiles. She now has 363 automobiles for sale. How many automobiles did Carrie have before the shipment? So, after after receiving 55, now she has 363. So you have to find how many of them before the shipment. That means you need to subtract 55 out of 363. Got it? So just subtract 363 out of 55 out of 363. So it is 363 subtract 55. We cannot subtract a smaller number out of the greater one. We cannot subtract 3 out of 5. So we have to borrow 1 from the next digit. So when we borrow 1 here, we are left with 5. And the borrowed one make it 13. So 13 minus 5 is 8. Then subtract the tens. 5 minus 5 is 0. And then you have a 3. So the correct option is 308. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is what number does the Roman numeral represent? Which number is it? 14, 18 or 16? Which one? It is 16. How? The X represents the 10, the V represents the 5, and the I represents the 1. So 10 plus 5 plus 1 is X represents the 10, V represents the 5, I represents the 1. So it is 10 plus 5 is 15 and 1 16. So the correct option is 16. Got it? Okay, the next one is how would you write 19 as a Roman numeral? So how do you write? Do you know the answer, which is the correct option? You have to write 19 as a Roman. So 19 is 10 plus 9. We know that 10 is x and 9 is ix. So it is xix. So second option is the correct one, and then click on the OK button. The next one is how do you write the number using digits? 413. So which is the correct option? The last one. The digit that is at the hundreds place is 4, and then you have to write so write 13. So it is then 413. Got it? Okay, the next one is how would you write this number using digits? 283. So how do you write? Do you know the answer? Which is the correct one? Which is the correct option? Option number third option is the correct one. 2 is at the hundreds place, And then you have 88. That means the digit at the tens place is 8 and the other one is also 8. So it is 288. Got it? Okay, the next one is, how do you write this number using digits? 6446. So which is the correct one? The digit that is at the thousands place is 6. 6446. Okay, 6446. So the digit that is at the thousands position is 6. The digit that is at the hundreds position is 4. And then again 46. So it is 4 and 6. So it is 6446. Got it? It's the first option. The next one is, subtract 930 minus 626. So 930, subtract 626. So subtracts the digits that are at the ones position. Can we subtract 0 out of 6? No, because 0 is a small number. 0 is the smaller one. We cannot subtract a smaller number out of the greater one. So you have to borrow 1 from here. So here you are left with 2, and the borrowed one make it 10. So 10 subtract 6 is 4. 2 subtract 2 is 0, and 9 subtract 6 is 3. So it is 304. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, how do you write this number using digit 203? Which one is the correct one? 2 is at the hundreds position. You don't have the digit that is at the tens position. So it is 0 and then you have a 3. So it is 203. It's the first option. Got it? Okay, what number does the Roman numeral represent? Which number is it? X, IV. X is for 10 and IV is for 4. So 10 plus 4 makes 14. So it represents 14. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, you have to add 693 plus 840. 693 plus 840, and I think the next one is 130. Yes, it is 130. So just add the ones, then add the tens, and then add the hundreds. If you have a carry, you have to add the carry with them. So 3 plus 0 is 3. 9 plus 4 is 13. And 13 plus 3 is 16. So you have to write 6 over here and you have to carry 1. Okay, then 8 plus 6 is 14. 115 and add the carry, it is 16. So it is 1663. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. We are moving on to the next chapter. So just click on the back button. We have done this one. This chapter, just click on the back button. Okay, we're going to start with the second lesson, that is multiplication. Click on the continue button. Okay, so start with multiplying 4757 multiply by 3. 4757 times 4757 times 3. Okay, so always start doing multiplication from the rightmost digit. So you have to do 3 times 7. So 3 times 7 is, start counting the table of 3. It is 21. You have to write the ones digit over here and carry the tens. Now 3 times 5 is 15, and 15 plus 2 is 17. Write a 7 over here and carry 1. 3 times 7 is 21, and add the carry. Write a 2 over here and a carry again. 3 times 4 is 12, and 12 plus 2 makes 14. So it is 14,271. Okay, the next one is 8 times 62. 62 times 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Write the tens, ones digit over here and carry the tens. 8 times 6 is 48, and 1 49. So it is 496. Got it? Okay, on the top right corner, we have a test button. Let's start with test. Okay, 59 times 8. So let's do 59 times 8. 8 times 9 is 72. Write the ones digit over here, carry the tens. 8 times 5 is 40, and 40 plus 7 is 47. So it is 472. Got it? Okay, the next one is 1201 times 2. Okay, 1201 times 2. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 1 is 2. So it is 2402. Okay, the next one is 96 times 4. 4 times 9 4 times 6 is 24. Write the ones digit over here, carry the tens. 4 times 9 is 36, and 36 plus carry is 38. So it is 384. Got it? It's the third option. Okay, 801 times 7. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 0 is 0. And 7 times 8 is 56. So it is 5607. Okay, the next one is 9 times 100. So 9 times 100 is 900. 8082 times 7. 7 times 2 is 14. Write a 4 here and carry 1. 7 times 8 is 56. Write a 6 over here and carry 5. 7 times 0 is 0 and 0. 7 times 0 is 0 and 0 plus 5 is 5. Then 7 times 8 is 56. So it is 56,564. Got it? It's the first option, sorry. 3 times 100 is 100. 3 times 100 is 300. Okay, 210 times 4. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So it is 840. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. 7 times 1496. 1496 times 7, I think. Let me just. Yes, it is 7. Okay, 7 times 6 is. You must be perfect when you are doing multiplications. Got it? 7 times 6 is 42. Write a 2 over here and carry 4. 7 times 9 is 7 times 9 is 63, and the carry makes 67. Write a 7 over here and carry 6. 2 times 4 is 8, and 8 plus carry is 14. Write a 4 over here, carry 1, so 1 plus 1 makes 2, so it's 2472. 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 9 is 63, and 4 67. 7 3 carry. 7 times 4 is 28. Sorry. 7 times 9 is 63, and 4 67 times 4 is 28, and 6 30. 0 3 carry, and 3 plus 1 is 4. It is 4073. You don't have the correct option here. Oh, we multiplied it by 7 times 1 is 7 and carry is 10. 7 times 1 is 7 and 3 10. Okay, got it. I selected the wrong option. 11 times 6 is 66. 6 times 2993. Okay, 6 times 3 is 18. Write the ones digit over here and carry the 1. So 6 times 9 is 54, and carry 1 55. You have to write 5 and carry 1. 8 times 9 is 72, and 72 plus 5 is 77. 6 times 2 is 12, and 12 plus 7 is 19. So it is 19,758. Let me just confirm. 6 times 3 is 18, and you have to carry 1. 6 times 9 is 54, and 155. 6 times 9 is 54. Here you have 5. 6 times 2 is 12, and 5 17. It is 17,009. Wait, let me 299 3 times 6. 299 3 times 6. Okay, 6 times 3 is 18. 8 1 carry. 6 times 9 is 54, and 155. 5 5 carry. 6 times 9 is 54, and 5 60 0 6 carry. 6 times 2 is 12, and 6 18. Got it? Okay, the next one is 8 times 62. Okay, 8 times 2 is 16. Write the 6 over here and carry 1. And 6 plus 1 is 7. 8 times 2 is 16. And when 8 times 6 is 48, and 149. So it is 496. Got it? Okay, the next one is 111 times 4. So the answer is, it's the first option, 4,444. Okay, the next one is 443 times 2. 443 times 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times 4 is 8. It is 886. Okay, the next one is 4757 times 3. 4757 times 3. So 3 times 7 is 21. Write a 1 over here and carry 2. 3 times 5 is 15, and add the carry, it is 17. 7 and 1. 3 times 7 is 21, and 122. Write a 2 over here and carry 2. 3 times 4 is 12, and 2 14. It is 14,270. So this one is the correct option. Got it? Okay, the next one is 11 times 8. So 11 times 8 is 88. Okay, the next one is 786 times 7. 786 times 7. 7 times 6 is 42. Write 2 and carry 4. 7 times 8 is 56, and 4 60. Write a 0 and carry 6. 7 times 7 is 49, and 49 plus 6 is 55. So it is 5,502. Got it? Okay. 3220 times 2. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 3 is 6. So it is 6440. Got it? Okay, the next one is 74 times 7. 7 times 4 is 28. Write a 8 here and carry 2. 7 times 7 is 49 and 49 plus 2 is 51. So it is 518. Got it? Okay, the next one is 2000 times 4. So 2000 times 4 is 0 times 4 is 0, 0 times 4 is 0, 0 times 4 is 0, and 0 times 4 is 8. So it is 8000. Got it? 799 times 3. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 9 is again 27, so 29. 3 times 7 is 21 and 2 23, so it is 2397. 74 times 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 7 is 21 and 123, so it is 232. So you can complete the test by yourself later today. Wait, 74 times 3, 222, sorry. So you can complete the test later today. We have done, we are doing grade 7 maths. You can find these lessons on aplusstudent.com. You have to select login using your email address and password. Then you have to scroll down to grade 6 maths, and you have to start with the first lesson, and the lesson name is multiplication. We are doing the second one, that is multiplication. We have done with the first lesson. So you can complete the tests for all the topic we did today. If you have any problem, any question, any confusion, you can contact any tutor. They're available from 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. Thank you. Bye.